in this part, we could tell you how we could choose a right beam drilling machine. And the last part is machine workpiece. And in this part, we will show some workpiece of this machine. Okay, let's begin. So here comes the first part, beam drilling machine types. And we divided this machine into two types. So first type is workpiece movable, and we call it workpiece movable beam drilling machine. And the second type is gantry movable beam drilling machine. And then here's the pictures of first is workpiece movable beam drilling machine. You can see the pictures here, and you can see the whole work table here, and it can move forward and move backward to keep the workpiece into this whole machine box, and then process it. And we also divide this workpiece movable beam drilling machine type into three types. And we according to the different speed of this machine, we divide it into high speed, medium speed, and also low speed drilling machine. And yes, we can see some pictures. Yeah, you can see this pictures. This is our ALBHD 1000 type, and we also have ALBHD 450 and 750, and also 1000, and also 1025, 250. And this is for the high bead drilling machine, and its minute speed range from 30 to 3000 RPM per minute.
This is a video to show of the high-speed drilling machine. In the video, we can see our machine is the drilling processing.
Yeah.
And the speed is 3000 revolution per minute.
Yeah, you can see the section still here, and the machine is processing.
Yes, in the video, we can see very clearly it's working a workpiece. This is the H-beam working piece.
Yeah.
And next, this is a medium speed drilling machine, and the spindle speed is from the 13 to 2000 revolution per minute. And we this type we have the three models. Is the ALBDM 750 and ALBDM 1000 and ALBDM 250. These three models.
Yeah, you can see the picture of this machine.
In the pictures, we can see the machine's external structure.
Yeah, you can see the whole machine.
And this is the spindle can process the workpiece.
Yeah.
And this is next. Later we will introduce the feeding method. And this is next machines. And the spindle speed is about from the 180 revolution per minute to 516 revolution per minute. And this is this type has two types models. And this is the ALBDL 1000 and ALBDL 1250. These two models.
Yeah.
This is the pictures we can see.
Yeah, this is the picture of a low-speed drilling machine, and these are the main models of our workpiece mobile beam drilling machine, and it according to your needs to choose how the spindle speed is.
Yes, these three parts. This high speed and medium and low speed bidding, these three is the external is actually is the same.
Yeah, yeah.
The difference of this is the spindle speed. Yes.
Yeah, the spindle speed is different.
Yes. And next, this is also the workpiece moving beam drilling machine. Let's introduce the feeding method.
Yeah. This about this machine, the feeding method is different from the gantry milling machine and gantry drilling machine. Sorry, and so trolley feeding and roller feeding. So we can say this picture is trolley. We have trolley feeding and also roller feeding method. So what is trolley feeding? Trolley feeding refers to an orange transmission device on the left side. Yeah.
On this part.
Yeah, this part, and it can clamp the workpiece, then move it.
Yes, it can. This function is clamp the workpiece and move it.
Yeah.
Let's. This is video to show the trolley feeding.
With this video, you can know this method clearly.
Yes, it's very clearly. You can see this is the trolley feeding.
Yeah.
And our workers in our factory are the processing the workpiece. And in the video, we also can see our factory is very big, and in our factory we have many.
Yeah, we have many different types of a machine.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see this method. It just push the section steel. Yeah, you can see
this is
it moves slowly and aim at the workpiece and then push it into the machine box and then process it.
Yes, the trolley is clamps the workpiece.
Yeah.
Look at this and move it. This part can process the workpiece. Let's see again.
So cool. So we can say that from this,
Yes.
so for this trolley method, its accuracy is more, is more efficient, and here we can introduce another
Yes.
method.
Let's introduce the another feeding method is the roller feeding. This in these pictures we can see this is the rolling feeding, and the pictures this is the rolling device can move the workpiece, and the move feeding doesn't has this device, that is this device, because material channel contains deductions both to move the workpiece, and in the
In the roller, it
Yes.
has an reduction box and to decrease the workpiece, the speed of the workpiece, and then move it to the machine box and then
Yes.
process it.
Yes, the reduction box is in this part and under the rollers.
Yeah.
And we also have a video to show the roller feeding.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's see the roller feeding.
Yeah.
In the video, we can see this part is the rolling feeding to move the workpiece to processing it.
Yeah, you can see the roller.
对, this is the ruler, and in the under the ruler it has a conduction box to make it live.
Yeah, here's the roller fading method.
This is another video to show our roller feeding method. Okay, let's see again.
Yeah.
In the video, we can show the workpiece is a drilling.
Yeah, it's
drilling processing.
you can see the whole workpiece is text here, and our machine is processing and drilling the hole.
Yes, and
Yeah, you can see.
spindle speed is 3,000 revolution per minute.
Yeah.
The speed is very high. It's very quickly. Okay, that's next.
Yeah. Also, this is the introduction of the trolling and stick feeding, and the stick fitting is more pressure bearing than the trolley fitting channel, and the power will be lost over time, and the accuracy will be affected, like I just said. Yeah, the accuracy will be affected about this. Trolley fitting is more efficient and accurate, and as we uh,
Yes. The trolley fitting is then roller fitting is more accuracy is higher processing, but the roller fitting has higher load bearing capability. And the next, this is a workpiece move beam drilling machine. The workpiece beam drilling machine is generally used with the ALDG series sewing machine,
yeah,
and his workpiece size is same. This pictures shows the ALDG series sewing machine, and we have a video to show the band sewing machine. This is the ALDG series sewing machine.
yeah. You also can see the taller.
Yes, this is also have the troller fitting. Okay, we show another video to
Yeah.
show it. And this is also the ALDG series band sewing machines.
Yeah.
And next we will introduce
Yeah, our gantry movable beam drilling machine,
yes.
and we have these 6 models.
Yes, and these 6 models is very clearly. And in the pictures, we can see the Gangjun mobile beam drilling machine, and we can see in the picture it have the 3 axis,
Yeah,
a 3 bundle, and this is 1, 2, 3, and it have 7 moving directions.
yeah,
This can up and down
yeah,
movement, and can left and right movement, and this country can
yeah. Move
yes,
forward and move backward.
yes, and these 2 spindle can also the up and down and
Yeah.
left and right movement. So it has 7 axes. It has also the 7 directions movement.
Yeah, it's just like a 3D processing.
Yes, and the country movement mobile beam drilling machine is suitable for the customer workpiece with web with white.
But yeah, so for the gantry movable type is suitable for customized workpiece with the web width is
More than
more than 1,500 millimeters.
yes.
Yeah, including special profiles. And according to the specific size of the workpiece, the length and the width of the work table can be customized to meet to meet every customer's processing requirements.
Yes. And next, this is also the country mobile beam drilling machines.
Yeah.
And we have a video. This video show the customer site
Yeah.
And this is our people to move to our customers' factory. This is our India customers'
Yeah.
factory.
Yeah.
And this is the
Yeah, you can see.
machines can processing the workpiece.
Yeah.
And this is also a video to show it. In the video, we
Yeah.
can show our
Yeah, you can see
India.
our Indian customers is talking about this machine, and you can see behind them is the gantry beam drilling machine.
Yes. And next, we will introduce the choice of the machine.
Yeah.
And first, how to choose the right machine according to the customer's needs. And we can see these pictures. This is the web and the flange. In the according to our customers' workpiece size, this is also the web and the flange size. The choice of the model is mainly based on the parameters of the workpiece and the size of the web and the flange.
Yes. When we need this information, we need to give us the web and the flange size so that we could introduce also recommend best machine suitable.
Yes. And the choice of the machine type should be judged by the width and of the section steel. If the section steel width exceeds one 1,250, it is recommended to use a gantry movable types. This is work table model types because the wider the section steel, the heavier it will be.
Yeah.
And this picture shows a table
movable type.
Yes.
Yeah. As we also know, the section steel has a length, and we call this length is we call it web. And when the web exceeds 1,025 exceeds 1,250 millimeters,
Yes.
and we recommend you to choose our gantry movable type. And the choice of the model is also mainly, you can see from this picture, this is the full wipe, and we call it its length, we call it wipe, and we mainly depend on this.
And according to the websites of the workpiece, it is generally divided into the follows equipment specifications. This is five models.
Yeah, and it's according to the wipe size, and we divided this five main models. So you can say.
Yes, it is depend on the size of the web.
Yeah.
This is this part. And next, we will introduce the machined workpiece.
Yeah.
This picture shows our machine processing the workpiece.
Yeah, you can see there are three spindle processing the workpiece at the same time.
Yes. And we have a video to show you. This video shows our machine processing the workpiece.
Yeah.
It's drilling. You can see very clearly.
Yeah. And the spindle speed is so fast.
Yes. And next, this is also a workpiece.
Yeah. This is a large-scale CSA gantry milling machine, drilling machine, and we also have a video.
Yes. And this is a workpiece.
Yeah.
Just at the H beam.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see our factory,
Yes.
the whole machine.
This is our factory. This is our workers' installation
Yeah.
site, and the speed. This is the workpiece drilling.
Yeah. Yeah, or you also can see the section still here.
Yes. This is a cooling system.
Yeah, this is the water cooling system.
Yes. This is a finished workpiece.
Yeah,
We can see
the surface. Yeah, inner
Yeah.
surface here.
Okay, next. This is also the
3,000 RPM high speed steel drilling machine processing.
yes. We can see this video.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see the speed, the spindle speed.
Yes. The span speed. This model, the span speed is 3,000 revolution per minute.
Yeah, and you can see it's also the water cooling system.
Yes. Drilling, processing. Okay. Let's see next video. This is the same video. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So today's introduction is here, and if you want this kind of this type of machine, and you can contact us,
Yes.
and we will equip this for you.
Yes. And today we introduced the beam drilling machine, and
Yeah.
if you want to know more details, you can contact us. We will introduce you very carefully, and we will send the pictures and videos to send it to you.
Yeah, to show our machine.
Yes. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Yeah, see you.